If you're a devoted Hub Today watcher, like I'm gonna assume you are, then by now you know her and you love her. Her name is Chef Trenita, and she is the personal chef to Celtics star Jayson Tatum. She recently joined us in the NBC 10 Boston kitchen to teach us about one of his favorite pregame dishes, a Teriyaki Chicken Bowl. It's almost lunchtime around here on the Hub Today, and Chef Trenita, friend of the show now, also chef to Jayson Tatum. You're gonna actually show us one of his game day bowls.
Yes, I am.
So what does he usually eat?
So Jayson's game day bowl is really simple. We start with some steamed rice with a teriyaki chicken breast with some roasted broccoli.
All right, so talk me through what you usually do when you're prepping this meal.
So when prepping this meal, I first start off by getting my rice going.
We already have that almost done?
Yes, and the staple with the rice is that I love to use collagen broth in the rice. Helps with that bone density, recovery, everything he needs for game day.
All right, the broccoli, before we throw it in the oven, we have to, of course, season it.
This is a smoked salt.
That salt looks good. I want to just, is it weird to just want to eat salt?
I love it. A little bit of cracked pepper.
Lovely.
Yep. And get that in the oven on 375. I like to go in at the top just so I can get that char on the broccoli quicker.
Got it. So our rice is still finishing up. Broccoli's in the oven.
Yep.
Let's get into this chicken.
Let's do it. Like I said, he likes more of a barbecue rub, but you can definitely do salt and pepper.
Do you pinch and do it, or okay? Let's see. See what I got.
You do
a little salt bay.
Yeah.
Not enough. Okay, the pan is heated. The chicken's ready. I'll hand this to you, chef.
Thank you.
Do the honors.
Just going in and lay your.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
You hear that sizzle? That's what it should sound like.
That's what it should sound like.
I love that you're a one-pan girly like myself, because you were telling me you're gonna just make the sauce within that pan.
Make the sauce within the pan.
But first we have to saute those peppers.
Yeah, get that going. Did you want to add them
I
in?
will be taking a pepper tax.
The overall key to cooking is just having patience. Low and slow. If you don't know what to do, low and slow.
Yeah, because you can always add heat, but you can't take it away after it's messed up.
Once it's burnt, you can't go back.
Exactly.
And these peppers look amazing. I'm going to take them off right now.
Put them to the side. And the last thing, the star of the show, maybe.
The star is that sauce. And I'm going to do a little bit more oil.
Yeah.
And if you can hand me the minced garlic.
Of course.
If you're a garlic lover, add it all.
Right.
If not, just a little bit. Fresh ginger, soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
And you can add that in there for me. Perfect. Then we'll go in with some of our brown sugar. And what I like to do with this part is add my chicken breast.
Nice, so it can start soaking it all in.
Yep. Back in. So now we have our rice, broccoli, and chicken all done. So now let's plate up. Like I say, he loves the peppers. Then what we want to do is drizzle a little bit of that teriyaki glaze.
Okay, now for the moment of truth. I mean, you've had this countless times, so it's really the moment of truth for me. Also, I think you're pretty good at this. You should consider doing this full time.
I should, huh?
Think about it. But Chef, thank you so much. I'm gonna start digging into this. Where can we find you online for more of your cooking tips?
Instagram, you can follow me at chef_Trenita, and TikTok, chef_Trenita.
I have no words.
You're eating like a champ.
The salty, I'm eating like a champ. Thank you so much for stopping by.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me.
I have to add, she's definitely worth the follow, because she does this ASMR with her cooking, and it just, the stove, and she's very quiet. So when we posted these segments, people were like, oh my gosh, she speaks, but so talented. Diego and I, the photog that shot this, we learned so much about cooking through this experience. So definitely give her a follow for more.